Good morning, Divyam. Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone has to be by this meeting. Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Have you any problem in, we discussed about the polarization. We have also discussed about the quarter wave plate and half wave plate. We have discussed about the how can I produce plane polarized, circularly polarized, and elliptically polarized light. We have also discussed about the condition. At what condition we get the plane polarized light, circularly polarized light, and elliptically polarized light. We have also discussed about the production and detection of plane polarized light and so on, circularly polarized light and elliptically polarized light. Have you any doubt to ask me? Anyone have any question, doubt to ask me? Hello? Hello? Do you get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Divyam? Vansika, do you get my voice? Vansika?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any problem, doubt you ask me?
No, sir.
Actually, at that day, I want to show the figure of circularly polarized light and electrically polarized light. I have shared my PPT, so I want to discuss about this one. I tell you when I just revise these things, okay? I just revise these things because I want to show the figure of, how can we get the plane polarized light. I want to summarize this one. And we also discuss how can we get the circularly polarized light and how can we get the electrically polarized light. I tell you already, quarter wave plate and half wave plate. Quarter wave plate is used to produce circularly and electrically polarized light. Yes or no? You remember? We have discussed about the we have discussed about the quarter wave plate and half wave plate. Mr. Kushagra Jain, Kushagra, do you get my voice? Kushagra, no. Parth Bansal, Parth Bansal,
Yes, sir.
get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is the half wave plate and what is quarter wave plate?
Half wave plates and quarter wave plates are both used to create straight and circularly polarized light.
Hmm. What is the condition?
The quarter wave plate is used for circularly polarized light, and the wave plate is used for
No. I want to
linear.
tell what I want to tell you to ask that which is called quarter wave plate and which is called half wave plate. Parth Bansal, do you remember? I studied, in previous section discussed in
Sir,
detail.
path
Yes, yes.
difference is such that in quarter wave plate, it is lambda by 4 between the E ray and the O ray, and in half
Good.
wave plate, it's lambda by 2.
Yes,
Very good. Very good. What is lambda by 4 and lambda by 2?
Sir,
part difference.
path difference.
Path difference. What will be the phase difference?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir?
Yes. Tell me what is phase difference?
Sir, it is
No
5.
problem.
For
Okay.
lambda by 2,
Yeah.
it's
Yes.
5.
Lambda. No. I'm talking about phase difference. Phase difference is direction angle. Vanshika, do you remember? Vanshika, Vanshika. Oh, you're not audible. Are you audible? Vanshika, are you
Yes, sir.
audible? Okay. Vanshika. Okay. Yash Kapoor. Yes, Kapoor, tell me what is the phase difference for the quarter wave plate and half wave plate? Yes, Kapoor. Yes, Kapoor, do you get my voice? Yes, Kapoor, do you get my voice? No. Shivan Sharma, do you get my voice?
Yes, sir. So
I
for
tell me. Yes.
quarter wave plate, it's a pi by 2, and for half wave plate, it's pi, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. So, I want to just revise how can I produce linearly polarized light, plane polarized light, and circularly and electrically, because at that day we are not in position to show the figure. So I want to just revise. Kindly wait for a minute. This one. This is very important. Somebody ask. Earlier I tell you that when two waves superimposed, then will traces a curve. The resultant will traces a curve. If this is circle, this is known as circularly polarized light. If resultant vector traces ellipse, that is called electrically polarized light. So I discussed about this one formula very well. X is equal to A sine omega t plus second equation is y is equal to B sine omega t. A and B is the amplitude, A and B is the amplitude, omega is the frequency. So from equation yesterday I calculate the value of x by A, and this is the x by A, and we have sine omega t plus del. Sine omega t plus del means sine A plus B. So we can write here sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So use this one, x by A is equal to sine omega t cos del plus cos omega 2 sine del. So again I revise this one, x by A is equal to sine omega t cos del plus cos omega t is under root 1 minus sine square omega t and sine del. And from equation 2, this one is the first equation. Have you seen on slide? Have you seen my slide? Hello, my slide is visible on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because I want to show the figure, how can we get this, from equation t. What is the value of sine omega t? From equation 2, can you tell me what is the value of sine omega t? My dear friend.
Y by V.
Y by V. Very good, very good, very good, very good. So from equation 2, y by v is equal to sine omega t. I substitute this value in equation 3. So this is x by A. X by A is equal to, this is x by A. X by A is equal to, I want to again, x by A is equal to y upon b. Y upon b means sine omega b, sine omega t is equal to y upon b into cos del plus 1 minus sine square omega t. Sine square omega t is y square upon b square into sine del. So I want to transfer this value to this side. So what will be equal to x by A minus y upon b cos del, and I squaring on both sides. You remember this one? Have you seen my arrow? My dear friend, have you seen my arrow?
Sir.
Okay, x by A minus y by b cos del square. I squaring on both sides. So left hand side I make a square. So this is square means under will be demolished, Then what is the value? 1 minus y square upon b square into this square is sine square del. So this, I want to again open this bracket. I want to open this bracket means I want to open this bracket and this bracket. Both bracket I want to open. So what is this? This is A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB. So x square by A square plus y square upon B square cos square del minus 2AB. 2xy divided by AB into cos del. Again, we have opened this bracket. When I open this bracket, this is sine square del minus y square upon d square sine square del. Clear? Yes or no? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, actually, I want to discuss about the resultant equation. So, I transfer the value. Again, I want to discuss about this. Sine square del, this is y square. Hello, you have seen on screen. Y square upon b square is right hand side. I transfer left hand side. So left hand side is y square upon b square is common. Cos square del plus sine square del, very well. Sine square theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. So when I transfer these values right hand side, so x square by a square plus y square upon b square, yes, this cos square minus 2xy ab cos del. I have transfer value. I transfer this value from right hand side to left hand side. In right hand side it was negative, so it becomes positive. Now I have taken y square upon b square as common. Have you seen this one? A square by A square. What is this? This is y square plus b square. Y square plus b square cos square del plus sin square del is 1. So you know y square plus b square minus 2xy ab cos del is equal to sin square del. This is the final result. What is the final equation? Final equation is x square by a square plus y square plus b square minus 2xy ab into cos del is equal to sin del. X axis, y axis, AB is amplitude. What is this? This equation is equation 4. I hope equation 4 totally depend. Equation 4 is totally depend upon the del. Del means phase difference. So we have these are different cases. Case 1, case 2, and case 3. So you know I am talking about the case 1. Case 1 means del is equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi means we have taken into even multiple of pi. So when I take del is equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, so on. So what is the value of cos del? If del is equal to 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, then what is the value of cos del? Any one of you?
1.
What is the value of cos del?
1.
1. Very good. Very good. And what is the value of sin del?
0.
Very good. Very good. So you know again, so I substitute here cos del is equal to 1 and sin del is equal to 0. So what is this? Equation 4 reduces to. So you know x square by a square plus y square by b square. This cos del is 1. So x square plus a square plus y square per b square minus 2xy upon ab. This is equal to 1 and sin is 0. So what is this equation 4? I hope so. Equation 4 reduces to x square upon a square plus y square per b square minus 2xy upon ab is equal to 0. Clear? Yes or no? So this is equal to, this is, I hope this is equal to a minus b whole square. You know a minus b equals to x by a minus y upon b whole square. So you know to get under root to both sides. So we get plus minus y is equal to plus minus b by a. This is equation of straight line. This is the equation of straight line in which b by a is angle and c is the 0. C is 0 means it is passes from the origin. So this is the, you know, this represents the pair of coincident straight line which having positive slope. B by a is the positive slope and it is passing from the origin. So what is this? We can say that this is the linearly polarized light. This is also known as plane polarized light. So you know, again I discuss one for second case. We get again the plane polarized light, but slope is minus b by a. And what is example? Example is the half wave plate. So what is important? Important one is the case third and fourth, because with the help of case third and fourth, we are getting the circularly polarized light and electrically polarized light. So you know what is the case third? Case third is del is equal to, I've taken pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, so on. So what is the value of cos del? What is the value of cos del?
0.
0. And what is the value of sin del?
1.
1. Very good. So what is this? Substituting this value in equation 4, we get x square by a square plus y square plus b square is equal to 1. Angle is pi by 2. Okay? Pi by 2 you know very well. So what is this? This is x square by a square plus y square plus b square equal to 1. This represents LS. What is this? It is, what is it? It means that when light passes from quarter wave plate, you know, we get the electrical polarized light. But what is condition? Condition is del equal to pi by 2. And second condition is very important. A is not equal to B. So if this condition, at this condition, quarter wave plate is used to produce electrically polarized light. So you know second condition is fourth condition is when del is equal to 45 degree. 45 degree means cos del is 0. What is sin del? Sin del is equal to 1. Yes or no? Hello? No, this is.
No sir, 1 by root 2. दोनों के दोनों.
by root 2 होगा.
Oh yeah, no, this is pi actually. This is pi, okay? Sorry, pi by 2. Pi by 2. This is pi by 2.
So del is 90.
90. What is this? Cos del is equal to 0, sin equal to 0. What is condition? Condition is A is equal to B. A is equal to B means equation 4 reduces to x square plus y square is equal to a square. So this is known as the this is known as the I hope so. This is known as the circular equilizer light. Okay. So next one is this is figure. I want to share this figure. I want to share this figure. What is if what is this? This is the already I tell you this is the plane polarized light plus minus y is equal to b by a to x. What is again this is the phase difference is pi by 2. Phase difference is pi by 2. What is this? X square by a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. This shows the circularly electrically polarized light. And if a is equal to b, this shows the circularly polarized light. So I want to show that this is plane polarized light, this is electrically polarized light, and this is the circularly polarized light. This is the so I already discussed about the how can I produce the plane polarized light and detection, and we have also discussed about the circularly polarized light and how can I detect this. Them I already discussed one. Similarly, we have also discussed about the electrically polarized light. Okay. So if you have anyone have any doubt, you have to ask me any question. Otherwise, I want to discuss some MCQ, multiple choice question on the topic of polarization. So I want to revise this, very well. In the case of what is the quarter wave plate? Quarter wave plate means thickness is so adjusted that the part difference is lambda by 2, lambda by 4, and phase difference is pi by 2. It is the quarter wave plate is used to produce electrically polarized light and circularly polarized light. What is the difference between them? Difference between them that in the case of electrically polarized light, A is not equal to B, and in the case of circularly polarized light, A is equal to B. And in the case of half wave plate with thickness is so adjusted that the phase difference is pi and part difference lambda by 2. It is used to get plate polarized light. There are two types, plus B by A, and also we get minus B by A depending upon the phase angle there. Anyone have any doubt? Otherwise, I proceed for the MCQ questions. Hello? Hello? No doubt? No doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, so I want to discuss some multiple choice question. This is very important because I hope in the examination to ask multiple choice question. So I want to discuss about the MCQs. Just wait, okay?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, what is coming in the minors? Only module 1?
I hope it will be decided by department. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But in meeting I will put the two parts. I hope not whole first module coming. Interference reflection is 100%, maybe polarization. Okay.
Okay.
Interference and diffraction, it is not decided by B. Because there are number of sections, it is department, my physics department, when meeting going to happen, so it is decided. Then I tell you.
Okay,
But you keep in mind, interference diffraction is 100% sure, maybe polarized. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear? Thank you. So I want to discuss about some MCQ question. Yes.
Minors.
Just minute, yes, minute, just minute. Kindly wait, my dear friend. I'll just come to you. Yes, PowerPoint is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, anybody has asked question, tell me.
What is the date of physics minor?
Sorry, Naman, you are asking what? Naman, tell me.
Sir, what is the tentative date for the examination?
I
of
can't
physics?
say anything. It is decided by your department. I can talk to you clear, okay? Don't worry, if you're going to decide it, then it is going to happen. Don't worry, you prepare yourself. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Hello, Naman.
Yes, sir.
You already prepared about your examination. I hope you get 1 week time for that one. So you prepared, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you prepare your notes, your problem, your question daily by daily. You make your notes also without writing policy. You should make your notes on your copy. Have you make notes on your copy?
They are incomplete,
No,
but
you
I'm
have to.
completing.
Hello, my dear friend. You make notes. You make a solve the numerical problem. In the book there is given. There in book there are number of questions given, but you have solved those questions which is mentioned in syllabus. To ask me. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I want to discuss about the multiple choice question about the polarization. Are you ready for that one? Actually, I want to discuss about the multiple choice question so that you revise your syllabus. Okay, you understand what I'm telling? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll start first question. Which one is the example of uniaxial crystal?
Tourmaline.
Okay, which one is the please listen question carefully first, then you answer. Which one of the example of uniaxial crystal? Calcite, tourmaline, quartz, all of them.
All of them. All of them, sir.
Sir, all of them.
All of them. Everyone is
Yes,
telling
sir.
this answer.
Yes.
Vansika, can you tell
Yes.
me? Vansika, can you tell me what is the answer?
B.
What is B?
Answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Vidhi, what is the answer, Vidhi?
Sir, all of them.
All of. And Parth Bansal, what is the answer? Parth. Arunit. Arunit. Arunit, do you get my voice? Arunit. Rama, are you here? Rama, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me what is the answer, Rama?
Sir, all of them.
All of them. So very good. Everyone is given good answer. All of them is the correct answer. The answer is all of them. Any doubt? Any question to ask me? No doubt? Hello.
No, sir.
sir.
Okay. So next question. What happened if ordinary unpolarized light is passed through a uniaxial crystal? First, light is split into two parts, two rays. Light remain unaffected. Light is split into more than two rays. None of them. There are four options for that one.
A.
A.
Sir,
Sir, light is split into two rays.
So C. C.
Very good, very good, very good. Anyone more?
sir, A.
Very good.
Sir,
Jasandeep, what is the answer? Jasandeep.
Sir, I have just told light is split into two rays. A.
Very good, very good. Anyone more?
Sir, A.
A, very good. Parth Bansal. Yuvraj Walia, what is the answer?
Sir, A.
A. Naman.
Sir, the answer should be A. Light splits into two rays.
Okay, Naman. Anyone more? So I want to proceed further. This is A is the exact answer. Light is split into part. This is known as, already I discussed about that. This is known as double reflection. Next point. How much phase change is introduced by a quarter wave plate between ordinary and extraordinary of light? First one is pi, second one is 2 pi, third is pi by 2,
Sir, C.
D is pi by 4.
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Sir, pi by 2.
Very good. Anyone more?
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Shivan Sharma, what is the answer? Shivan Sharma.
Pi by
Yash
2, sir.
Kapoor. Yash Kapoor, what is the answer?
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Anyone have you pi other than pi by 2? Any one of you other than Aryaman, Anand, Aryaman?
No, sir.
Yes, what is the answer?
Pi by 2.
Pi by 2. Very good. Thanks to all of you. Very good. So, you know, pi by 2 the exact answer. So, C is the exact answer for this one. Very good. Shabash. Next question. Dextrorotatory optically active substance rotate the plane of vibration in clockwise direction, in anti-clockwise direction by 180 degree, and fourth option is none of these.
Sorry,
I
clockwise.
already,
Clockwise.
my dear friend,
Sir, clockwise.
I already discussed about
in clockwise
you.
direction.
There are two types of rotatory motion, dextrorotatory and levorotatory. I hope you remember. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So dextrorotatory and levorotatory. What is, you know, what is optical rotation? Can you tell me what is optical rotation? Anyone? What is the optical rotation?
Sir, when the
Vansika, how?
plane
Yes. Raj, tell me what is optical rotation?
when the plane of vibration is rotated.
What is optical rotation? I'm asking about this one.
Sir, when a plane polarized light passes through certain substances, then the plane of polarization of light is rotated in the direction of propagation of light through a certain angle.
Very good, very good. And what is specific rotation, Mr. Jasandeep? What is specific rotation?
Sir, it is the rotation sir, which is produced by 1 decimeter length of the solution when its concentration is 1 gram per cc.
And what is length? What is the formula, Jasandeep? What is the formula? Can you tell me what is the formula?
Sir, for specific rotation,
Yes.
sir, it is theta by L into C, length into
Theta by
concentration. Length into concentration when length is in decimeter.
And what is going to happen if length is in centimeter?
10 into theta by L into C.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. So now this is what is this? You know, dextrorotatory optically active material and levorotatory active material. And there is the clockwise direction. The substance, you know, the rotation is takes place in the clockwise direction. Very good. And I ask about the next question. You know, electric field vectors vibrate in only one plane and perpendicular to direction of propagation. This is plane polarized light. This is unpolarized light. This is both plane polarized light, unpolarized light. B option. Neither plane polarized light and not unpolarized light.
C.
Tell me what is the answer.
A, sir.
Plane polarized.
C.
A, plane polarized.
A.
Everyone sure?
Yes.
Anyone more? Can you tell me answer? Hello. Samir Chaudhary, what is the answer?
Sir, A, plane polarized.
Very good. So I proceed further. So this is the, you know, if it is a vibrate perpendicular direction and parallel direction of the propagation waves, so this is known as confined wave, and confined wave is known as plane polarized light. Okay, next question. Optic axis is an imaginary line inside the crystal, a real line inside the crystal, a real direction inside the crystal. None of this. I discuss in detail about
C, sir.
I discuss in detail about the optic axis. I hope you get my PowerPoint, and this is about the optic axis in detail. Yes,
C,
S.
sir.
Kapoor. What? Yes, S. Kapoor. What is the answer? Yes, Kapoor. Yes, Kapoor. What is the answer?
Sir, A.
A. Anyone more?
So C.
Shivans.
C, sir.
B.
C, sir. C. A real direction.
C. What is C? Real direction inside. Anyone more? C. Yuvraj Walia, what is the answer?
Sir, C.
C. Jasandeep. Jasandeep.
I think so. So it is a line which passes through corners of the crystal. So I think so. It is C.
C. Okay. And Arunit. Arunit, do you get my voice?
C.
Arunit. Arunit.
Yes, sir. C.
What is the answer?
C.
C. Rama. What is the answer? Rama. Rama.
Yes,
yes.
sir. Sir, the
what is the
answer should be C.
C. Yes, Shamik Chaudhary, tell me.
Sir, C, a real direction inside the crystal.
Thank you. Thank you. So, you know, correct answer, a real direction inside the crystal. This is known as optic axis. So remember you well. Next question is a property of rotating the plane of vibration of plane polarized light is known as double refraction, optical activity, polarization, dichroism.
B, sir.
B or D?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
B, sir.
B. Anyone of more? Anyone of you? What is the answer of this question?
Sir, optical activity.
B.
B.
Okay, anyone more? Aditya? Jasandeep, what is the answer?
Sir, B.
B. B. Anyone more other than B? Neha? Neha Goyal, do you get my voice?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the answer?
So B, optical activity.
Prajwal, do you get my voice? Prajwal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the answer? What is the answer?
Sir, optical activity.
Very good, very good. So, you know, I proceed further. I hope optical activity they get answer, though the B is they get answer. Anyone had doubt? Anyone doubt to ask me? Otherwise, proceed further. I hope it is clear to all. Hello, Yuvraj Alia. Yuvraj.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. A quarter of wavelength is equal to how many degree of phase?
Sir, A, 90.
90. Anyone more?
Yes, sir. A, 90.
Sir, 90. 90.
90. Quarter of wavelength is equal to how many degree of phase? Yes, 90. Anyone more? This is a very good question. Anyone more? Rama, what is the answer?
Sir, 90.
90. Okay, good. Mr. Naman?
Sir, 90.
Nikita? Nikita, what is the
Yes,
answer?
sir. 90.
Are you sure?
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
Nikita. Anyone more? Shivan Sharma, what is the answer?
It's 90 degrees.
So I want to proceed further for answer. This is 90 degree. Good. Next question. Which of the following is used to convert unpolarized light into polarized light?
Sir,
Which are the
A,
following?
Nicole
Prism.
Nicole
Calcite
prism.
crystal is also used
Nicole prism.
or not?
Sir, Nicole prism.
Permanent crystal and none of the above. Which
Sir,
is used to
Sir,
convert
Nicole prism.
Nicole prism.
Nicole prism. Can you tell me? Hello, yes, good. Can you tell me what is Canada blossom in Nicole prism? Mr. Jasandeep. Jasandeep? Jasandeep,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me what is the role of Canada blossom in Nicole prism?
Sir, I forgot this.
You listen the word
Yeah.
Canada blossom.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I know that the refractive index of ordinary ray of light is more than that of Canada
No,
balsam.
I
But
am
sir,
not asking question this one. What is the role of Canada balsam? I'm not talking about effective index, Mr. Parth.
Sir, may I?
Yes. Who's telling me?
Sir, Parth Bansal.
Yes, Parth, tell me.
Sir, Canada balsam is a adhesive which is used to join two pieces of nickel prism so that there can be total internal refraction in order to produce two rays of light.
Canada balsam is a transparent liquid, which working as cemented together. So, good, very good. So you know this is Nicarprim. Nicarprim is used to convert unpolarized light into polarized light. Okay, clear? Yes or no? Hello. So next question. If VE is the velocity of external ray and VO is the velocity of ordinary ray, in negative crystal, already I discussed about you know very well. I discussed about the negative crystal and positive crystal. So then crystal VO is greater than VE. B part, second answer, VO is less than VE. C answer, VO is equal to VE. And third is none of the above.
Sir, B.
B.
Okay.
B part.
What is
B,
negative crystal? What is positive crystal? Very good. Anyone more? Yes, Kapoor. What is the answer? Yes, Kapoor.
Sir, B.
Yes, Kapoor.
B.
What is the answer?
B, sir.
Okay. Sekhar Basist. What is the answer? Sekhar Basist. Sekhar Basist. Hello, you are out. Sir, Kali, mute yourself. Sir, Kali, mute yourself. Sekhar, Kali, mute yourself. Okay, good. You are out of session, I hope. And what is the answer? Vidhi, what is the answer? Can you tell me, Vidhi? What is the answer? Negative crystal. Vidhi?
Sir, option B.
B. So option B is correct. Anyone has a doubt? You know, I have already, my dear friend, I already discussed about the negative crystal and positive crystal, and I tell you what is the condition for negative crystal and what is the condition for positive crystal. Anyone had doubt to ask me? Otherwise, I proceed for next question. Hello, clear? Yes or no? So you know, next question is yes. A half-wave plate is used to add a phase difference of ordinary ray of light.
Pi.
The B, pi.
So pi.
Very good. So let's pi. Good. Very good answer. Next question. A optically active material changes the direction of propagation of light. Second, changes the direction of reflected light. Changes the direction of diffracted ray of light. D, change the direction of the plane of polarization.
Sir, D.
Sir, option D.
Sir, D.
Anyone of you? Yes, A or D or B, A, B, C, D. Which is the correct answer?
Sir, D.
D, sir.
Yes, anyone?
D.
Sir, D.
Sir, D.
D. Okay, so D is the correct answer because it changes the plane, the direction of plane of polarization. Very good. Sure. Very good. You are doing very well. Next question. The Nicarprim based on the action of reflection, double reflection, refracting, and scattering. Nicarprim is based on first option, reflection. Second option is double reflection. Third option is refraction. Fourth option is scattering. Can you tell me what is the answer?
B, double refraction.
Very good. Who's telling this answer? Who's telling this answer?
Yuvraj Walia.
Right, very good. You are doing well. All of you are doing very well. Good. Double refraction is based on this one. Next question. Principal planes in characterized crystal are squares, rhombus,
Sir, D
triangles,
parallelogram.
parallelogram. Who's telling first answer? Who's telling first one?
Sir, Samir Chaudhary.
Samir, from where you get this value answer?
Sir, answer is D parallelogram.
I know. How can you get this answer? You study this one or Samir?
No, sir, I do. Actually, I'm more sure about option D.
Okay, where you
That's
study
why.
this one? I want to know where you get the answer. Have you seen anywhere? You taken help of books, PowerPoint, yeah, anywhere.
Sir, from Google.
Google.
From Wikipedia.
Now you are searching on Google.
No, sir, not now, but
I have
I've
also
seen
mentioned.
this type of
I have
question.
also mentioned in PowerPoint. Okay. Actually, you are searching Google. Oh yes. So you know you have answered.
No,
Open your camera. No.
No, sir. Now
Because
I'm not searching on Google.
I have also discussed this one in PowerPoint. Hello, Samir Chaudhary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I have also discussed in PowerPoint presentation. In PowerPoint,
Yes,
I
sir. Yes,
mentioned
sir.
that. So you know, fourth is answer. Anyone had any problem? Fourth one is answer. This by Ram. Anyone had any doubt?
Can you explain this, sir?
Hello.
But can you explain this one?
Yes, I already discussed. You go through my PowerPoint. Okay. So you find that the in the case of principal, this is equal to the parallelogram. Okay. Hello, my dear friend. This
Okay, sir.
discuss, okay. If you have a doubt to ask me, I'll discuss this one parallelogram in the case of principal axis, optic axis. Okay, Jasandeep.
Okay, sir.
Next, the wave forming ordinary image R. The wave means light wave forming ordinary image R. First, plane polarized light, unpolarized light, partially polarized light, any of above.
Sir, C.
Any of the above. What is the answer? Jasandeep, can you tell me what is the answer?
D.
D. Part of D.
Sir, D.
Okay.
Sir,
Jasandeep, what is the answer?
sir, A.
Okay.
Sir,
Jasandeep,
I'm
what is the answer? Jasandeep, Samir Chaudhary, you are taking the help of Google.
Sir, A.
Jasandeep, what is the answer? Jasandeep Singh, you get me well?
Sir, I am not. Sir, I am not sure about this one, sir.
What is the answer? Can you tell me, Jasandeep? Can you tell me what is the answer?
Sir, I am not sure about the answer, sir.
A, B, C, D. You don't know anyone?
No,
Okay.
sir. I think so.
What is Balu? Samir Chaudhary, kindly close your camera.
Sir,
Okay.
I
Yuraj
think
Walia.
so, sir.
What
I
is
think so. It should
Yuraj
be
Walia, what is the
plain.
answer?
Sir, I think it's A, plain
Yuraj
polarized.
Walia, what is the answer? Yuraj
Sir, I'm also not sure. I think it's A, plain polarized.
Yeah. Neha, what is the answer? Neha.
So I think plain polarized
Very
light.
good, very good. Vansika, what is the answer? Vansika.
Sir, D. Any of
D.
above.
Okay. And Rama, what is the answer? Rama.
Sir, any of above.
What is the answer, Rama?
Sir, D, any of above.
But this is not, I already tell you. Ordinary light is plain polarized light. How can you say this is unpolarized light? When light.
Sir, ordinary light is unpolarized.
No, it is not unpolarized.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, after the process, this can be made plain polarized, but the rays coming from sun are simple unpolarized.
Yes. When light, hello, Rama, kindly listen to me very carefully.
Yes.
When light passes from double diffraction crystal, it is split in two parts. One is extraordinary and second is ordinary. Both are plain polarized. Yes or no? Hello.
Sir, but in the question there is no crystal, it's ordinary image.
Yes.
An image formed in the mirror.
You know what is this? The question is what is this? It's talking about the ordinary ray of light. I tell you, what is wave? Wave means the light wave forming. It is the question that what is the condition of ordinary ray of light? What is ordinary ray of light? This is plane polarized light, and this is not unpolarized light. You know very well. This is partially polarized. No. So what is this? This is plane polarized light. Do you get my point? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And this is yes. Question is different. So I use this question. You are able to know what this is ordinary ray of light. Okay. Clear, Rama? Rama, it is
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. So this is last, okay? This is last. So we discussed about the MCQ question about this one. Again, I want to discuss some numerical problem of this one, okay? Just wait, I am here to PPT of numericals. Numerical is very important. Numerical is also going to ask you examination. So you keep in mind about the numericals. So I have discussed about the different formulas. We have discussed about the formula of quarter wave plate, half wave plate. We have also discussed about the formula of I hope you know about the specific rotation. So this is going to be asked examination. What is the numerical based on quarter wave plate and numerical based on half wave plate? So just I want to share my PowerPoint about the question of numerical problem based on yes. Have you my PPT is visible?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay. So I want to discuss about the first question, numerical problem. Calculate the thickness of a quarter wave plate of quartz for sodium light of wavelength 5893 angstrom. The refractive index of quartz for external ray of light and outer ray of light equal to 1.5533 and 1.544. What is asking about that? Hello, which formula used? What is asking the question? Do you get my point? Yes or no? Hello, Jasandeep? Jasandeep?
Yes, sir.
Jasandeep, can you tell me
Yes.
what formula you use for this? Which formula you use for this one?
Formula is thickness equal to lambda upon 4 and mu O minus mu E.
Okay. They tell me the value. Good. Yes, good.
Sir, mu O is 1.5442, mu E is 1.5533.
I know. What is the value? Tell me what is the value? What is the value?
Sir, 1473.25 into 10 ki power minus 12.
Yes, who's speaking? Yuvraj?
Yuvraj, yes, sir.
Yes, Kali. Yes. What is the value?
1473.25 into 10 to the power minus 12.
Okay. Anyone more? Anyone more? Hello. Any one of you? Neha, Vansika, Jasandeep, what is the answer?
Sir, I am calculating, sir.
Okay, good. Parth Bansal, what is the answer? Vansika, what is the answer?
Sir, I'm calculating.
Okay, good. Rama, what is the answer?
Sir, I am calculating.
Okay, Divyam.
Yes, sir, I'm trying.
Divyam.
Yes.
Yuvraj Walia, what is the answer?
Sir, I just said 1473.25 into 10 to the power minus 12.
Okay. Anyone of more? Nikita, what is the answer?
Sir, I'm calculating.
Okay. Sanket, what is the answer? Sanket. Sanket, do you get my voice? Sanket,
Sir,
do you get my voice?
Sir, I'm getting 1.618 into 10 raised to power minus 5.
Sahil Jain?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll check the answer. Sanket, Satvik, anyone get to answer? Anyone of you? Jasandeep, do you get answer?
We have to
Sahil?
tell in centimeter or Armstrong degree.
Okay. Vashika, what is the answer? Vashika? Vashika, what is the answer? Yash Kapoor, Part Bansal.
Sir, I'm calculating.
Nibir, what is the answer? Nibir?
Sir, calculating.
Okay, good. So you know answer is this one. 1.62 into 10 power minus 3 centimeter. If you have any problem, tell me answer. Kindly check the answer. I use the formula. We substitute all the values. Can you tell me the value? Any problem, you tell me. Jasandeep, attendance please. Attendance
Present,
please.
sir.
Okay. Rama,
Present, sir.
Divyam,
Present, sir.
Mohit,
Present, sir.
Shekhar Vasisht,
Present.
okay. Sahil,
Present, sir.
okay. Vansika,
Present, sir.
Vidhi,
Present, sir.
Divan Sharma,
Present, sir.
Hiren Sani, Samir Chaudhary,
Present, sir.
Sudiksha Sharma, Yash Kapoor,
Present, sir. Yash Kapoor.
Vansveer Singh.
Present, sir.
Where is Mr. Vansveer today is not here.
Sir, present.
Vansveer,
Present, sir.
Sanket,
Present, sir.
okay. Neha,
Present, sir.
Parth Patra,
Present, sir.
Aditya Rajput,
Present.
Aditya Rajput,
Hello.
Present, sir.
and Satvik,
Excuse me,
do
sir.
you get answer? Yes or no? It is correct or wrong?
Excuse
Hello,
me, sir.
Divyam, this answer is correct or wrong? Divyam,
Yes, sir.
Yuvraj Walia. Hello, Yuvraj Walia.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to calculate this answer?
Yes, sir. I recalculated. It's correct.
Okay, Jasandeep, do you get value? You know
Yes,
what
sir.
is this?
Same value.
Lambda divided by 4 mu e minus mu o. I substitute this value. Lambda is 5, 8, 19 into minus 8 centimeter. I simply substitute this value and multiply. This value is 1.62 into 10 to the minus 3 centimeter. Anyone have doubt to ask me? Anyone doubt?
Sir. Excuse me,
Adit
sir.
Kumar, Adit Kumar,
Present, sir.
Prajwal,
Sir, present, sir.
Santanu Raj, Santanu. Okay, absent. Naman,
Present, sir. Naman.
okay. Yuvraj,
Present, sir.
Tushar Jain,
Present, sir.
Nikita,
Present, sir.
Kalti Mehra.
Present, sir.
Kalti, you are able to get the answer? Any problem? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Kalti,
Yes, sir.
any problem?
Yes, sir. I calculated. I got this answer.
Okay. Arunit,
Present, sir.
Hemang Bhatia,
Present, sir.
okay. Arman Anand,
Present, sir.
Arman, okay.
Present, sir.
Rakshit Malik,
Present, sir.
Aryan Sarovar,
Present, sir. Present.
Nibir,
Present, sir.
okay. Parth Bansal,
Present.
Bhavya Singh,
Present, sir.
Bhavya Singh. Is Bhavya Singh, tell me the answer. It is correct or wrong?
Sir, it is correct.
Okay. Any doubt, anyone?
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. So next lecture we
Excuse me,
discuss
sir.
about the optical rotation and space rotation. Okay. Numerical
Excuse me, sir.
So
question
please
about
tell the absentees.
why you need the you are present, Pansika. Okay. Pansika, you are
Excuse me,
present.
sir.
Okay. Yes. Tell me.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Because I'm not going
once we
to when I substitute when I submitted on Amazon, then you are able to clear what is absent and what is present. Yes. Anyone?
sir, once we present,
Where are you, Mister?
sir, I was speaking. I also wrote in the chat box.
Okay, good. Okay, I will make present. Okay. Actually, okay, I make you present. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Okay. Any problem? Otherwise, I will leave the class. Any have any doubts to ask me? Anyone have any doubt? Hello.